welcome to Waterfalls. Our phone number is 407-947-0146. Our website is www.aquarockpools.com. We are located in Orlando. We are a very small company, and we are very proud of what we do. This is an example of water features that we create. It's a small size waterfall. We make smaller than this, but this is what we call a standard small waterfall for a swimming pool. It's about 10 feet by 3. It's very strong, filled with rebar concrete, 5,000 psi concrete. Everything that we do is a very strong pieces for them to last. They're stain as well, which is much better than paint. When we create these, everything has been hand-cut right here at the site. We thank you for visiting us again. Please contact us for your next project. Thank you.